While no specific food or herb can guarantee improved vision or prevent eye conditions, certain nutrients and antioxidants found in herbs, spices, fruits, and flowers may contribute to overall eye health. Here are some examples, along with suggestions on how to incorporate them into your diet. Herbs and spices. Saffron. Saffron contains compounds that may benefit retinal function. It can be added to rice dishes, soups, or herbal teas. Bilberry. Bilberries are rich in anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that may support eye health. They can be consumed fresh or in supplement form. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Add turmeric to curries, soups, or golden milk. Rosemary. Rosemary contains rosmarinic acid, which has antioxidant properties. Use rosemary in cooking or make herbal infusions. Fruits and flowers. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, which may help protect the retina. Eat them fresh, add to smoothies, or sprinkle on yogurt. Strawberries. Strawberries contain vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports overall eye health. Enjoy them fresh or in fruit salads. Oranges and citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. Include oranges, grapefruits, and lemons in your diet. Kiwi. Kiwi is a good source of vitamin C and other antioxidants. Eat it as a snack or add to fruit salads. Goji berries. Goji berries are rich in nutrients and antioxidants that may benefit eye health. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or trail mix. Marigold flowers. Marigold flowers contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for the eyes. Use calendula or marigold petals in salads or make herbal teas. Additional tips. Leafy greens. Consume dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. Add them to salads or smoothies. Carrots. Carrots contain beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for eye health. Eat them raw or cooked. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds provide vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, supporting overall eye health. Fatty fish. Include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna for omega-3 fatty acids. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that may contribute to eye health. Enjoy it as a beverage. Water. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Proper hydration is essential for overall health, including eye health. Foods or herbs that may support vision. Here are some general tips. Carotenoid-rich foods. Include foods rich in carotenoids, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and kale. Carotenoids like beta-carotene are precursors to vitamin A, which is essential for eye health. Omega-3 fatty acids. Consume foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3s contribute to the maintenance of healthy retinas. Vitamin C sources. Include foods high in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, strawberries, and bell peppers. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that supports overall eye health. Vitamin E-rich foods. Incorporate foods rich in vitamin E, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that can benefit eye health. Zinc-containing foods. Zinc is essential for maintaining the health of the retina. Foods like oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds are good sources of zinc. Dark leafy greens. Leafy greens like kale and spinach are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that may help protect the eyes from harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. Berries. Berries, especially blueberries, are known for their antioxidant properties and may contribute to eye health. Marigold flowers, specifically the calendula variety, are known for containing compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin, which may have benefits for eye health. While they are generally considered safe, it's essential to ensure that the marigold flowers you use for consumption are organic and free from pesticides or other contaminants. Here's a simple way to prepare marigold flowers for consumption. Marigold flower salad. Ingredients: fresh organic marigold flowers, calendula. Mixed salad greens, example, spinach, arugula, or lettuce. Cherry tomatoes. Cucumber slices. Balsamic vinaigrette, or your favorite salad dressing. Instructions: harvest marigold flowers. Pick fresh marigold flowers from your garden or purchase organic ones from a reliable source. Ensure they are clean and free from pesticides. Wash thoroughly. Gently wash the marigold flowers under cold running water to remove any dirt or insects. Prepare salad greens. Wash and prepare your choice of salad greens. Spinach, arugula, or a mix of various greens work well. Add tomatoes and cucumbers. Slice cherry tomatoes and cucumber into bite-sized pieces and add them to the salad. Incorporate marigold flowers. Gently pluck the marigold petals from the flower head and sprinkle them over the salad. You can also add whole small flowers. Dress the salad. Drizzle your favorite salad dressing over the salad. A balsamic vinaigrette complements the flavors well. Toss and serve. Gently toss the salad to combine all the ingredients evenly. Serve immediately. Note: petals only. Use only the petals of the marigold flowers, as the green parts can be bitter. Freshness matters. Consume the salad soon after preparation to enjoy the freshness of the marigold petals. Allergies. If you have known allergies to marigold or plants in the Asteraceae family, avoid consuming them. Caution. While marigold flowers are generally considered safe for consumption, it's essential to be cautious and ensure you are using edible varieties like calendula. If you have any concerns or pre-existing medical conditions, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating marigold flowers into your diet. It's crucial to emphasize that a balanced diet rich in a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-dense foods is essential for overall eye health. If you have specific concerns about your vision, consult with an eye care professional for personalized advice.